Show your friends an empty battery and a full battery and challenge them to say which is which without putting them in an appliance. To win the bet, simply drop them on a table. The empty one will bounce much higher than the full one. Show your friends this equation, challenge them to draw one line on the paper and make the equation correct. When they give up, change the plus sign into a 4 and you win the bet. Challenge your friends to see who can draw the best freehand circle. To win the bet, place the knuckle of your little finger in the center of the paper and hold the pen against the paper. Then carefully rotate the paper around. You'll create a near perfect circle and win the bet. Place a match on the table and put another 10 matches on top of it like this. Now challenge your friends to pick up all of the matches using just one extra match. To win the bet, place the extra match on top of the others, then lift up all of the matches using just the bottom match. This bet involves a plastic hoop or bangle and a bottle. Challenge your friends to move the hoop over the bottle. However, they can only touch the hoop with one finger and the hoop has to remain horizontal. To win the bet, place your finger inside the hoop, spin it around and then move it over the bottle. Fill a straight-sided glass 3/4 full and then challenge your friends to pour out some of the water so they're left with exactly half a glass of water. To win the bet, simply tip the glass and pour out the water until there's a straight line between the rim and the base. Then you'll have exactly half a glass of water. Ask your friends to hold 2 dice against the side of a glass like this and challenge them to throw both dice, one at a time, into the glass. The first one is easy, but they'll struggle with the second. The secret is to simply drop the dice and quickly move the glass under it. Stack up some coins on a plate and challenge your friends to move the stack onto the table. However, they can only use one hand and they have to hold on to the side of the plate. To win the bet, move the plate towards the table and then very quickly whip it away. Tie a piece of string to the back of a chair like this. Now place another piece of string behind the first piece and tie it to your friend's wrists. Challenge your friend to escape without cutting or untying the strings. When they give up, simply take the center of this string, place it through the loop on their wrist, slip it over the hand, and they're free. Cut the bottom out of a coffee cup and then cut up a punch pocket to create a large sheet of plastic. Place the plastic inside the cup and hold the sheet against the sides of the cup. Fill the plastic with water, place the lid back on and trim off all of the excess plastic so that it looks like a normal cup of coffee. Hand the cup to your friend and challenge them to remove the lid in less than 10 seconds. The water will go all over them. You'll lose the bet, but they'll end up soaked and very upset.